Hey everybody, Chris here. Saw some great trading in cryptos over the weekend, led by Bitcoin and some other altcoins as well. And I'll show you that in this video, particularly one altcoin that I bought in about a year ago and have just been silently waiting for it to take off. And yesterday was the day. 100% gain in a crypto, that can happen. And not just one of those tokens either, it's real cryptocurrency. So I'll show you that. Dogecoin blasting off. And that blast off looks like it's going to continue. We still may see a little retracement that's typical in trading, but taking off certainly is a good sign. I'm Chris, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already, appreciate the support. And as always, I've got some finance links in the description below. Webull, Blockfi, Coinbase, all now trading Dogecoin, and some little freebies along the way too if you join and trade on each of those. So I recommend you check those out in the link below. Dogecoin, a lot of momentum. There's some talk about whether it's being fueled by Elon Musk and this talk about him buying Twitter. And I think he's just sort of blowing off steam as far as media is concerned. And I don't see him buying Twitter. But a lot of people are talking about it and having fun with it. And yeah, that's okay. And McDonald's too, doing some tweets that are making fun of Elon Musk. I don't know why McDonald's is doing that. Just stay away from that and just make hamburgers. Dogecoin's doing fine on its own. And there's some news about Dogecoin and why this is happening, and I'll show you that as well, what I'm looking at. But let's take a look at the charts first. So we'll start by looking at Dogecoin here on the 30-minute chart, and here's Doge just under 15 cents. Saw this big rise over the past couple days. Dogecoin was just down over here at about 13.20, and then rose up to 14, and then yesterday up to 15 cents. So this is where we're trading right now, right below 15 cents. So great trading on Dogecoin. Bitcoin, well, this is what we saw was the big rise yesterday in Bitcoin. Bitcoin had enough of flirting with that 45,000 resistance lines I've been watching for the past number of weeks, blew right through it, even said goodbye to 46,000 and up over 47,000. So that huge run that Bitcoin went on was certainly fun to watch. Ethereum as well. Broke right through 3,200, now trading at 3,350. Good run for Ethereum. So if we zoom out on Doge and we look at the daily, this is what we had been looking at, was Dogecoin from this downward descending triangle to then making the reversal, trading back up over 1360. Look, it bounced off it a couple times, but then broke through and now up to 15 cents. Still have a long way to go. But when we see one of these big rises, as we saw before, it's typically followed by a little retracement. So I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a little bit of retracement there. With Bitcoin, here's Bitcoin, 7 straight green candles on the daily. That is definitely a bullish sign. Again, when we see this before, we would expect to see a little retracement. There's going to be a red candle one of these days coming forward, and I'd certainly expect that. Might even come back and retest 45,000 before taking off again. But for Dogecoin, here we are on the 30-minute, and we're looking at Doge kind of leveling out here right at 15 cents. See if it can hold it. That would be a great sign. But what else happened? Zilliqa. We're looking at Zilliqa. This is a coin that I bought a year ago that was trading well, had a tough summer, tough fall, was trading down here below 5 cents just the other day. And look at this takeoff. Just amazing trading, up over 100% on the weekend. Absolutely incredible. Getting into metaverse blockchain work, great for the Zilliqa developers to move in that direction. Certainly a lot of interest on Zill and great trading going forward. And finally, VeChain, which I had been down on for so long. Again, trading back finally. But again, going back to the daily though on each of these, and we zoom out and we say, well, VeChain used to be up here at 16 cents. That was just in November. So this big run that VeChain just went on up here still has a long way to go. And Zilliqa was down for quite a while. We're finally back up to where it was in November. But if I zoom out even further, Zil used to be back up here in May, up at 23. So likewise with Doge, here was Doge way up here at 60, 70 cents. So this little run on Doge is great to see. We got a long ways to go though. And there's going to be key resistance lines, 19 cents, 35 cents, 48 cents. These are from the Fibonacci's that I had been showing about a month ago when I did that price target video. And got a long way to go, but this is a great start. It's great to see finally the reversal with that 11 cent being the bottom, which I had made a video on and tweeted about that's the bottom. We're moving up. So that's good to see. So what's happening? What we see is Bitcoin holding above 47,000, erasing yearly losses. Ethereum and Dogecoin surge and crypto rally. So this is more about Bitcoin and what's been going on in terms of Bitcoin's rise. And certainly we see that dominance that Bitcoin still has. Dogecoin signals bottoming out. Doge rebounds 30% in 2 weeks. So we see this, what do they call it? A classic bullish reversal setup. So looking at the similar thing that I am with this a much larger descending triangle, and then the breakout that's happening from that. So that's positive news. The Dogecoin soars to near 15 cent mark. What's going on? What we're seeing is Dogecoin is up a percentage over Bitcoin, almost a percentage against Ethereum, 23% in 7 days. So all positive for Doge, and trending above among retail investors, featured on StockTwist's list of trending tickers. Also trending on CoinMarketCap. Fundamental buying pressure is what Willy Woo was saying, and trading over the 15 cent mark with sustained momentum, thanks to a pattern seen on the coin's chart Sunday, according to Benzinga. So all of this is very positive for Doge. Dogecoin's Elon Musk sparks 10% rise in Dogecoin. Does it have more steam left? I don't really believe that. I do not think that this discussion about Twitter and Doge is what caused Dogecoin to go up 10%. But a lot of these media companies, they talk about things like that just to put Elon's name in here to get viewers. Musk on Sunday tweeted that he's giving serious thought to building a new social media platform. Many people saying that you just buy Twitter, change the logo to Doge, and have Dogecoin be the tipping mechanism on the new Doge Twitter. I mean, if anybody could do that, it could probably be Elon, but I think Elon's got more important things to be working on. So I think that's all just kind of fun. FX Street, Dogecoin price is primed for massive breakout as whale activity doubles overnight. So what they're looking at is the on-chain whale activity that, according to them, looks to be a very bullish signal. A spike in large volume transactions is frequently associated with whale activity. Accumulation by large wallet investors is bullish for the meme coin. So that's what they're looking at, is this accumulation period seems to be over. Large holders of Dogecoin have been buying more at this low price, and now Dogecoin is taking off. So we see this great upward momentum from the accumulation period, and we would expect this to continue to rise. Again, probably with some retracement, but definitely a bullish signal for Dogecoin. So where do I see Dogecoin trading from here? Like I said, I think we're going to see a little retracement that we typically see that. We're going to see what that level is for that's going to create that new support. Because we typically do see that as we see a big rise, doing some sideways trading. Typically, there's going to be a little bit down, and how far that drops down, that's going to be creating new support. When you have this big run like that, you don't really know where that support line is going to be. So I'll be watching that. And then 15 cents, 16 cents, someone said 16 cents a key resistance line. I'm still up at 19. I think Dogecoin can certainly hit that in the coming weeks. So looking forward to good trading on Dogecoin. Give the video a like, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about Dogecoin blasting off and what you see as the price targets for Dogecoin. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.